Good morning, children. Today I am going to give you the answers of the poem The Cold Within. In my previous video, I have explained you the poem Within. I think all of you have understood it, and I think all of you have purchased your workbook also. Children, now these questions which I will discuss with you today, you are going to write these questions in your workbook. Okay. Now see the first extract and the answers of the poem. First question is, which figure of speech is used in the line in bleak and bitter cold? And what special significance do the adjectives bleak and bitter have? You see the answer. The figure of speech used in the line in bleak and bitter cold is alliteration, and the adjectives bleak and bitter have been used to show the bitter feelings of racism, arrogance, and greed. These adjectives are used for cold because these six humans beings are not warm and friendly with one another, and there is no hope for anyone to survive, and it was extremely cold weather over there. This is your first answer. Now see the second question. Who are the people referred to in the above extracts? Why do they need logs? Answer is, the people are referred into the above extracts are white man and man from different religion. They need logs as the fire was dying, so they were not able to keep the fire alive to protect themselves from the cold. State how the following line is connected with the theme of the poem. Their dying fire is in need of logs, as it refers to the fire that is dying and needs to be kept alive with the use of the log. Metaphorically, the fire of compassion and the humanity in their heart is also dying. Next question. What does the first man hold back and why? The first man holds his log back because he notices that one of the face around the fire is black. Now, fifth question. What character traits do you associate with the first man and the next man? Why? The first man is suffering from racism. Due to this quality, he refused to give his log to keep the fire burning, because he did not want to give the pleasure to the black men sitting around the fire. And the next man was suffering from the religious fanatism because his was not ready to save others using his sticks in the fire, as one of them does not belong to his religious community. Children, these are the question of the first extract. Now see the second extract, third extract, and fourth question and fourth extract. And the questions based on these extracts are like this. What is meant by the tattered clothes? What does this expression symbolize? Why does the third man give his coat a hitch? The tattered clothes means torn and withered clothes, showing poverty. This expression shows that the poor man wanted to prevent the rich man sitting there from getting warm. And what does this expression symbolize? So this expression symbolizes the warmth of the selfish nature. And why the third man could not give his coat a hitch? The third man could not give his coat a hitch because to protect himself too from freezing cold. Now third answer. The third one does not want to use his log to warm the rich. Why? Because the poor think of the rich as unworthy and refuse to give his log to prevent the rich man from getting warm. What thought preoccupy the rich man's mind? What does it say about him? The rich man thinks of the wealth he had in store and how to keep it safe from the poor man. It tells us that the rich considered the poor as lazy, shiftless men, lacking any ambition and energy. What prejudices the black man has or for whom? The black man was revengeful for white men, so he used a log from himself as a chance to harm the white man. Now, fifth answer, explain the following lines. The black man's face looks so revengeful and full of anger that the only thing that is visible to him in his log is a chance to harm the white man. Children, these are the questions and the answer of the second extract. Now you see the third extract and the last one. Explain the phrase forlorn group and which figure of speech is used here. Forlorn group means sad and lonely group and the figure of speech is oxymoron. What game is the poet referring to while mentioning the last man of the group? The poet refers the game of giving and taking. Because the last man of the group was very selfish and he thinks he will give his log to those who will give him something back in return. What proof of humanism is being referred to here and explained? These six men have revealed their prejudice and their selfish souls. It shows disobedience to God's commandment. Love thy neighbors as thyself. The poet says that the characters died from the cold within. What does he mean? It means that the six men are trapped in the cold weather and their dying fire is in the need of the logs. But they could not use it due to the selfishness, revenge, anger, and greed. It is ironical that they die from the cold within. Now last question, what message is the poet trying to convey in the poem? How does he succeed in carrying out this task? This is very important question. We should be free from discrimination based on race, class or religion. Warmth and compassion for each other are the qualities of humanity. We should forget our selfishness, prejudice, greed, anger against each other as he successfully explained it in the poem in an ironical way in which all the six men did not die from the cold outside in the atmosphere but from the cold within, means lack of warmth and compassion for each other. Children, thank you. These are the questions and you will do all these questions in your workbook. Thank you.